Hello guys, and thank you for supporting the PWJ channel. So in this short video, we're going to define briefly what dictionaries are in Python. We won't go into much detail, but the content we're going to learn here is going to help us when we do I/O in the fewer next sessions. So a dictionary essentially behaves to some extent like the list data structure in Python. In a list data structure, we already have the keys or indices defined so that we can reference the items inside that list. In the dictionary, however, we've got the freedom to define our own keys and then put in the associated values of those keys. So let's get an example, simple example, so that we can master this. So I'll define a dictionary of cars. I'll just say cars, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. That's how we define a dictionary. There is an alternative way which I don't normally use. Is called cars. You define it like cars assign dict, open bracket, close bracket. But let's stick to the first notion of defining dictionary. So I'll say then in cars 1, I'll put a car called a Toyota. Then I'll copy paste this so that I've got at least 3 cars. In cars 2, I'll put in a BMW. Cars 3, let's put a Ford. So in short, we're defining key value pairs. For example, in the key 1, we are putting the value Toyota. The key 2, we're putting BMW, the value of BMW. So this essentially, a dictionary essentially is a key value pair. But as to the data structure or the data type of the contents of the dictionary, we don't care really. We can even put in more contents in cars 2 so that we can say we've got a BMW probably there and the Suzuki. Python doesn't care so long as you put in 2 to reference cars 2 to reference cars, you'll get then BMW and the Suzuki. But if you put in 1, you'll get a Toyota. So the data structure really doesn't matter. You can even replace that by a 1, but if you call cars 3, then you'll get that 1. But let's keep it simple for now and see how we can read those. Let's use a for loop to just print what is there. We'll say we'll need a key and the value of that key in cars.item. So in the items in cars, we want to print the key and the value. So I'll say print key value. Let's save. Let's try to run this. Let's see. Yes, you can see the key 1 is associated with the value Toyota. 3 is associated with the value Ford. Let's see what happens if we put a list here. So we'll say here the BMW, then we put in the Suzuki. Should be a string. Let's run this. See, Python doesn't care about the data type of the value, but the keys should be at least integers or should be the same data type. Okay, but let's not get there. Let's replace that Ford by a 1 and see if indeed Python doesn't care about the values. Let's run again. You see, cars 3 now has the value 1. So in general, that's how dictionaries in Python work. So this information is enough for now to be used when we do the IO operations in Python, because after this we hope to be doing file input output, so you should be able to use this knowledge that time. Thank you for subscribing and watching my channel. Please like and invite more people to subscribe. Thank you.